Scientists debunk the myth. Do trees really have feelings? Many attributions in popular publications lack scientific evidence. Plants are frequently often attributed with abilities similar to those recognized in animals or humans. For instance, it's suggested that trees possess emotions and can therefore care for their offspring, like mothers. In an article in the review journal Trends in Plant Science, 32 international plant and forest researchers followed up on such assertions. The article scrutinized the assertions in two widely received books about the hidden life of trees and the search for the so-called mother tree. The researchers report that in those works, trees are attributed with human characteristics and behaviors, including the ability to feel pain and pleasure, to communicate with one another, and to act altruistically. Based on existing research literature, Profernd Robinson and his co-authors provide detailed evidence that the main assertions are scientifically untenable. The Heidelberg researcher points out that numerous research papers on the significance of intraspecies competition clearly contradict the contention that trees of a single species support one another and keep each other alive, the mother tree myth. According to Profernd Robinson and his colleagues, newer studies also render the mother tree concept untenable. Many publications based on this concept that presumes to substantiate a targeted transfer of carbon from older to younger trees via networked fungi, the mycorrhizae, are flawed due to a lack of control variance. And where the data does actually suggest such a transfer, the quantity of carbon transferred is so small that it is physiologically completely irrelevant for the recipient tree, states Profernd Robinson. The researchers also criticize that both books cite evidentiary sources that were not peer-reviewed. Potential ramifications and conclusion. Finally, the authors point out the fatal consequences such claims could have for the adaptation of forests to climate change if political decisions are based on pleasant-sounding but false messages rather than scientific fact, adds Robinson.